Hello, this is Hands-on Continuous Integration and Delivery with Jenkins X and Kubernetes, published by Pact Publishing. My name is Alan Hone. I'm the author of this video course. I have over 2 decades of experience as a software developer, lead, manager, and architect. My current title is Lockheed Martin Fellow, which means I contribute to the overall technical direction and excellence of that organization. I'm the author of multiple video courses from Pact Publishing, including Hands-on Auto DevOps with GitLab CI and Hands-on Infrastructure Automation with Ansible. In addition, I have many years of experience teaching technical topics, including Agile, DevSecOps, and Kubernetes. Outside of work, I enjoy hiking, as you can see from my picture on a lovely rainy day in Ireland. This course, titled Hands-on Continuous Integration and Delivery with Jenkins X and Kubernetes, introduces you to Jenkins X, a new technology for automatically building, testing, and deploying applications in containers to a Kubernetes cluster. This course has 6 sections. In Section 1, Accelerate Delivery with Jenkins X, we'll introduce Jenkins X, what it can do, what it's capable of, as we show using an example application deployment. In Section 2, Jenkins X Pipelines, we'll show you how to get started with your own application, building, testing, and deploying in Jenkins X. In Section 3, Jenkins X Build Packs, we'll show how each step of the build process in Jenkins X is configured and how you can customize those steps. In Section 4, Promotion and Environments, we'll show how you can control the version of your application that deploys to a production environment, how to control other environments, and how to do rapid development inside Kubernetes using DevPods. In Section 5, Building and Deploying with Kubernetes, we'll look in detail at how Kubernetes manages and runs applications, how it's used by Jenkins X, and how you can troubleshoot your own application deployments. And finally, in Section 6, Extend Kubernetes Cluster with Jenkins X apps and add-ons, we'll see how Jenkins X can manage other features of our Kubernetes cluster, such as storage and monitoring. There are a few prerequisites for this course. You'll need a text editor. I use Atom in the examples. You'll also need a Git client, either command line or graphical, so that you can make changes, commit them, and push them to repositories. Finally, you'll need access to Google Cloud Engine, as that is the main supported Kubernetes cluster for Jenkins X, and access to GitHub. Throughout this course, you'll find that every video has a course folder that contains its own README and any examples. You'll find that that's very easy to follow along with, so you can try out the video material for yourself. All of that course material is in the accompanying GitHub repository. You will also be using your own GitHub account to create repositories for Jenkins X to automatically manage the build, test, and deployment to your Kubernetes cluster. There are a few important course goals. We'll show you how to develop applications for Kubernetes quickly and automatically. We'll let you make continuous integration and continuous delivery work for you, building reliable applications that are easy to maintain and to update. We'll use simple examples along the way so you can see how Jenkins X automates the build, test, and deployment of your applications on Kubernetes. And you'll learn about Kubernetes, how it works, how it manages applications, enough that you can troubleshoot your own application deployments and get them working and keep them working. All in all, you'll get a clear introduction to Jenkins X, what it is, what it's capable of, and how it integrates with Kubernetes to make continuous integration and continuous delivery easy. So with that said, let's get started.